Hey you, excuse me, do not attack the vacuum please. Watch out, Rugrat. Watch out. No, Palmer. He has to attack the vacuum. Oh my gosh, this works so good. Wow, it's picking up everything. Hey! Oh yeah, this is great. Hey, no, Palmer, leave it alone, buddy. Look at how good those look. Hey, your stairs are all clean, mister. Yes, they are. Wow, that worked really, really good. Can you see all the dirt in there? Look at all of that dog hair and dirt just from the stairs. Now I kind of want to try it out in my car. I'm going to put on the little attachment that we can use to get in the crevices, and let's go try this in the car. Okay, no judgment on the car here, but I want to use that attachment. I can't believe how fantastic this vacuum works, and this attachment fits really nicely in all those little crevices, and I'm able to really get under my seat with it as well. Yeah, this is fantastic. I can get under all my pedals and even your seat. So here is the filter. It has dog hair, dust, and then look at how much I have in the bottom here. Super easy to clean. You just hit the button to remove the tank, pull out the filter, and empty it out. So